Kavya. I studied grade 1 blue. Today I will make one puppet toy with waste material. We use in this 3 straws, 1 disposable cup and 1 tape, 1 white paper, 1 pink paper and googly eyes and marker and Fevicol and scissors. Now we made 3 holes in the glass, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. Now we cut some hearts and 3 circles, 2 small and 1 big, and some ears for our bunny puppet. Now I will do the pasting part with Fevicol. Now the face of the bunny is ready. Now we have to paste the hearts on the cup with Fevicol. Now we have to put the straw like this in the cup. In this hole, in this hole, in this hole. Now we have to paste the bunny's face on the straws like this. Now my dancing puppet toy is ready. Now I can play with this like this. Thank you. Bye.